Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over CEI with you guys. The CEI is up about 40% since our video yesterday. I want to make sure we cover exactly what has to happen for us to continue on past this $1.40 mark that we spiked up to going 6 extended hours. I want to make sure we do cover this because, again, CEI has been getting a ton of volume today. We could have a continuation. I'm going to go over exactly what's going to give us that confirmation on that momentum, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's burn this one. So I'm going to go over CEI with you guys here on the 5-minute chart, and then we'll back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking at for overall. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned CEI yesterday in a video, looking to see if we can break over that $1 mark with that confirmation on momentum. And as you guys can see here, we got that confirmation on momentum here, breaking above our previous buy pressure point here on the MACD, giving us that continuation going to today. So again, going to tomorrow, we're looking to see if we can continue as well. I'm going to go over that with you guys here. But we mentioned CEI testing $1 today, jumping all the way up to $1.43 going 6 extended hours, up about 43% on that breakout. We mentioned SPRT, looking to see if we can break over that $25 mark. Sure enough, broke above it, had that continuation all the way up to $27.50 on that breakout, up about 10% on that breakout. Looking to see if we can continue with SPRT. I went over SPRT on the last video if you guys want to check out SPRT and exactly what might happen with their merger vote date coming into tomorrow. And lastly, we mentioned EFTR yesterday, halted at $13.70, jumping all the way up to $40 on the day, up about 200% on that breakout. So if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert throughout the day again. So again, as you guys can see here with CEI, we have been continuing on up throughout the day. You guys can see we got that increase in buy pressure, showing us that momentum coming into today. And as you guys can see, we continued on up and we were bouncing off the 20 moving average, continuing on up throughout the day. Again, we had that spike all the way up to around $1.10 today, and then we did continue on up, bounced off the 20 moving average and continued on up throughout the day. So again, here on the 4-hour chart, we mentioned yesterday that we were getting rejected at about $1.04 because we had that consolidation and continuation sell-off. We were looking to see if we can continue on with buy pressure. So as you guys can see here, we have that decrease in buy pressure here on the MACD, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure. And sure enough, we did continue with buy pressure coming into today, which gave us that continuation. And sure enough, we broke all the way up to our previous consolidation point that we have here now at about $1.31. But however, as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we had that continuation breaking all the way up to around $1.40. And as you guys can see, we had that continuation sell off at this $1.50 mark. So in my opinion, we have a range here between $1.30 and $1.50 that we're trying to stay above going to tomorrow. If we can break over 150 going to tomorrow, then we are going to be looking to see if we can test this 180 mark that we have here on this continuation sell off. And then from there, we will be looking to see if we can break over $2 and then look to see if we can fill into this candle wick that we had previously all the way up to around $3 going into tomorrow. But again, CEI definitely on the watch to hold over that $1.30 mark, in my opinion, going into tomorrow. Again, struggling with that $1.30 mark going into today. Throughout the day, I would be looking to see if we can hold over $1.30 going into tomorrow. If we do not hold over $1.30, in my opinion, and we don't get that momentum here on the MACD, again, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure again to get that momentum. But in my opinion, if we do not break over 150 and we do not get that confirmation above our previous buy pressure point, and we for some reason do get white shaded lines come down with some sell pressure, or do start to consolidate and drop below that $1.30 mark, then in my opinion, we could get rejected to the upside here at 150. But however, if we can continue with this buy pressure, break over this 150 mark, then that is when I would be looking to see if we can test that 180 mark that we had our continuation sell off at. But again, CEI has been on quite the run. I do like the increase in volume today, and I also do like the increase in buy pressure that we did see here on the 4-hour chart. Again, continuing on with that buy pressure that we were looking out for yesterday. And as you guys can see, we had our nice continuation going to today. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I appreciate every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.